What's up, you guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another motivational video here on Sincerely Shamsa. If this is your first time here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and make sure you have your notifications on. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today we have so much motivation for you, so make sure you watch the full video. Let's get this started. What's up, you guys? Assalamu alaikum. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another motivational cleaning video. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my twin son's bedroom. They are currently sharing a room with their oldest brother because his room need the air vent needed to be fixed. There's something wrong with the air duct because his room is really cold during the winter time, and then it's really hot during the summertime. So we asked our landlord to come in and check it out. He sent a maintenance guy to look at it, and he said there's something wrong with the air duct and they needed to fix that. So they did fix it. It's not as good as the other rooms, the airflow, but it's better. It's better, and I just hope that he can sleep there. He does have a heating blanket, and he also has a what is that, space heater. I always tell him to be careful, and we always put the space heater on automatic, so, and we keep his room door open so that way the air can circulate. But now it is time for him to go back to his room, and y'all, this room is the messiest room in our whole entire house. Like, this room always gets so messy. Like, these boys, I don't know what to do with them anymore. They do clean up when I tell them, like, I have to yell at them. So they do clean up, but y'all, this room, it gives me a headache. Just looking at it, gives me a headache. And lately they've been complaining about ants in their room, so I was like, let me go in and check it out, because they do clean up. And but y'all, you guys will see it later. Like, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Shamsa, and I'm a mom of 5. I work part-time. On the days that I'm off, I make YouTube videos and upload videos. That's what I love to do. So here on my channel, you'll find videos on cleaning, motivational video like these, lifestyle vlogs. I'm just all over the place, y'all. So if you enjoy my content and this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, welcome. And I would love to get to know you, so please consider commenting down below. If you like my content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it if you guys could share my videos on your social media platform, or share it with your friends and families that might enjoy it. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and showing your support. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. So I did laundry about 1 week ago, and this room already looks messy. There's just clothes everywhere. I was supposed to buy hangers so they could put up, like, they could hang up all of their shirts and stuff, which they did. I'm so proud of that. But my kids, they tend to mix the clean clothes and the dirty clothes. I would put a basket in there just so they could put their dirty clothes, but I decided to just let them know, like, they could put, instead of putting it in a basket, they could just put it in the laundry room, so that way I know what is dirty and what's not. But y'all, these boys, it's like they don't know where the laundry room is. Like, they're just something else, y'all. They're just something else. I'm really working on them. I know some of y'all are gonna be like, you need to give yourself a break. You need to tell these boys to do this, to do that. I do. It's just I'm just praying. When is this gonna click in? I remember growing up, I used to be a clean freak, and I'm still am. Like I still do clean. I still do love cleaning. I love clean space. I was expecting my kids to be the same way, like, to keep their space all clean and all their stuff organized and stuff. But it's just I don't know, man. These boys are a complete opposite of me. Like, I don't know who they are. And my husband is not that type too. He's a clean man. Like he likes to clean. He helps out with the household and stuff. But the boys, I don't know. They're just different. The amount of cups and chips crumbs, like paper towels, like it's just almost everything that I was missing was in this room. And this cookie just over here, like, and they complaining about ants. Like, you got a whole cookie under your bed. Oh my God. I know there's nothing funny about this, but we're gonna have a serious talk. Like, I don't want this because it's always their room. It's always their room to the point that my daughter's like, Mom, you are more strict with me than with the boys. I am strict with them, but it's just like these boys, nothing clicks in. Like, they're just like, oh, we're gonna clean it up. And they do show that they're cleaning, but y'all, everything is hiding under the bed. You guys will see under the rug, and it's just I was shocked. Like, look at that. That's a fry right there. There's an ant over there. There's like crumbs of food, candy wrappers. Like, oh my God. On this side of the bed is mainly where the candy stuff was, like the candy sticks and the wrappers. I was looking for those rubber bands. Like, I had to buy new rubber bands because I couldn't find those. And they were hiding all along under that bed. Like, oh my God. I had to take away the rug for this room because I feel like they're hiding everything, just like cleaning up like the top of the rug and just making it look nice while everything else is underneath it. So I'm gonna remove the rug. I'm also gonna be showing them this video, and I'm gonna be like, let's not repeat this because their room is all clean now. Like, as I'm doing this voiceover, and they did cleaned up this morning when they were going to school, but I'm gonna be staying on top of it, and I'm gonna be keeping an eye on them. Like, I'm gonna be inspecting their room because this is unacceptable. Like, look at this. There were so many ants, y'all. Like, the camera did not pick up, but there was the ants even made it all the way to my daughter's room, which is right next to theirs. So yeah, we're not gonna be doing this anymore. On Sunday, I went to Costco and bought one of those 50 pack hangers for their rooms. I wanted everything to be put on a hanger so that way there's nothing in baskets except for like blankets or jackets or something that's oversized. um the boys did organize to their closet. some of the stuff that's out there, like especially the stuff that's on the bed, they are going to be donated because they no longer fit the boys. They suggested that I take them to a donation center instead of just throwing them away. So I'm gonna wash those and I will donate them, inshallah. I also did pick up some hangers for my daughter. She organized her closet, mashallah. It is so much better now. And there was a lot of clothes that no longer fits her too, that she's grown for. So instead of donating those clothes, I suggested that we keep them, like they're all clean and stuff. So we folded them and put them in a luggage. So that way, when my daughter gets older, she has something to inherit from her older sister if she accepts. Because my twin boys right now, oh my God, I don't know if it's a twins thing or not, but my twin boys don't want to inherit their older brother's clothes or shoes. They said they don't want to do that. They want to get their own stuff. Oh my goodness, yeah. My life is just Yeah, I am blessed to find a house that has a paint that is easily cleanable. Like the my daughter, she started coloring on the walls, and alhamdulillah, with this paint it is easy to clean up. Next up, we're moving on to the hallway bathroom. This is a shared bathroom. This is the boys slash guest bathroom. I needed to come in here and tidy up here. We had some guests the past couple of weeks. I did cleaned up and stuff, but I needed to go back and just give this place a really deep cleaning. One of my all-time favorite products to use whenever I'm cleaning is Pine Sol. I always have to have Pine Sol. Lately, I've been like unable to find Pine Sol at the store for some reason, but Alhamdulillah, I found one at the store that I work at, and I bought it. And I'm going to be using it today to clean my bathtub. And I also am going to be using one of those LA's awesome cleaning spray. I don't know, multi-surface spray. It's been a long time since I used those things. I bought it from the Dollar Tree, but it really does a good job of cleaning. I have my handy dandy drill here because I wanted to unscrew the shower faucet knob and clean it up. It was filthy, y'all, so that's why I had the drill. Y'all don't sleep on this LA's totally awesome multi-surface cleaner. This thing does a really good job of cleaning. It's at the Dollar Tree just for $1.25. And I also needed to take down this eucalyptus leaves from my shower head because it's been sitting there for almost a month. It was originally in my room, so I decided to bring it out here to the guest slash boys bathroom because we were getting so many visitors in the past couple of weeks since my uncle passed away, so I just decided to put it up here. But it is time for it to go now. Well, y'all, the video is coming to an end. I hope that I motivated you enough to get up and clean. Please let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to give the video a like. Thanks for watching. Bye.